Alright, we may have to give up on this camcorder here. Switch over to the GoPro. Couple things. Put in this nice rotation plate, right? Didn't bother to take the things out. Yeah, that's stuck in there now. So back to the drawing board for that. I'm gonna uninstall this guy, regain access to the things underneath my seat, and return these guys for cheaper ones. I didn't install the driver's side yet, so all I have to do is send that one back. So yeah, the second mistake is that I was trying to go through my old camcorder and I misread the menu and I deleted all of my footage in the last couple days. So me cleaning the van, I think all the sound deadening footage and the painting, it's all gone. I think we're all set now. Hopefully. Ooh, a goldfinch. Oh, it's pretty. No, don't fly away. Let's open up my new saw. There. A 10-inch compound miter saw. A lot of parts. Okay. Nice. Okay. Guess now we have to actually start cutting stuff. Great. I don't think I'm ready to be doing this. It's too fucking early. I need more caffeine. Can we get some more caffeine? Let's get some more caffeine. Okay, I found the bolts, so I think we're good. I got myself a little iced coffee for a pick me up. Get this shit moving. Okay. Let's put it back together. Muzzle tough. You'll need some more wood. You need that tool thing for the angle drilling. And some screws. And squeaky foam.